There are too many people. There are 420 people right now, refugees, and between them they are almost 190 children. Want to have any support from the Greek government or from the other governments. The government must believe itself for something. And if he starts to believe that these people deserve human conditions, so I must go to my work and then come here. There's a lot of people like me. So you know, we spend all our time or free time here because we believe in what we do.